So, I need to change my ringtone because it's really annoying. So, I want you guys to pick for me. I will show you the ones I have. You guys can change, or you can, just wait a second. Okay, here's number 1. Put on speaker. And I'll turn off vibrate though.
Yo, that was Wizard!
You guys got it!
Okay, you get it. Or
Holy crap, there's babies in the road!
Or
That's back into your face.
you guys can pick a different one. It can be anything, but just send a message to, or leave a comment below. Not that way, that's okay. And then, or you can vote on the poll, which will be up. I'll put the link in the description, or you can go to our MySpace, which is right here, and you can vote. So yeah, be cool and vote. Otherwise, you're stupid, and it sucks for you.